Hello, my name is Neal Horton and I am the product trainer here at Bloom US. Today we're going to learn how to install a MOVENTO Waste Recycle set. Now that we're ready to install our MOVENTO Waste Recycle set, let's see what we have in the box. Here we have our locking devices and attachment screws for our drawer box. Here we have our MOVENTO runner set for the bottom of our cabinet. And here we have a paper template to help us with installation of the runners into the cabinet. Now that we've gone through everything in the box, let's begin our installation. First thing that we need to do is to measure the opening of our cabinet and cut the template to fit the opening of our cabinet. In this case, we have a 15-inch opening for our cabinet, so we'll cut off part of the template where it's 15 inches. Now that we've cut our paper template for our cabinet, we need to mark the center line in our cabinet. First, we do that by measuring the opening and getting our center point. Once we have that center point, we can then mark the center line of the cabinet. We're going to transfer that line to the back of the cabinet. Now that we have our line in the cabinet, we can use our template to line up where our holes need to be. I just removed the center line tabs for us to use as our lining tool. We fold down the front of the template to help us locate front to back position. Utilizing a marking pen and a hammer, we can now mark our positions in the cabinet. Now I can remove the paper template and we have our location holes marked. We now take our runner system, place it into the opening of the cabinet, and make sure that we're aligned properly with the center of our cabinet, and then attach our screws. Now that we have the runners installed in our cabinet, the next step is to install the locking devices on the drawer box. Now that we have our locking devices ready and our attachment screws, we need to attach them to the drawer box. The best way to do that is to use our tandem template. This allows us to pre-drill the hole locations for our locking devices. Simply reference the inside of the drawer. Now our drawer box is pre-drilled for a locking device installation. Now that we've installed our locking devices on our drawer box, we can install our drawer box into the cabinet. We simply take the drawer box, slide it into the opening of the cabinet on the runners, lock it into place, and now our drawer is installed. If you'd like to learn more about this product or any of our other products and services, visit our website at bloom.com. If there's a video you'd like to see in the future, let us know in the comments below.